We are here in Skyview Bar with my friends. They are in there taking pictures. One of my colleagues is very busy. I'm the guest for today. How are you? How are you, Teresita? Why you very busy?
How are you?
It's me, Zena. We are here in Skyview Bar. This is Skyview Bar. That's Al Muntaha. So we have just an experience for today. It's not like I'm a colleague. It's like different. Hi, sorry. I'm not ready yet. Can you please tell me if you're taking picture?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Excuse me, your kilikili expose. Okay, this is the view on the top. I mean, this is the view that you can see in the Skyview Bar. So you can see the Palm Jumeirah in your left side, and you can see the Burj Khalifa in the other side, but it's very far. So later we can go there. So we are here. That's Tess, and this is me. We are here. Let's go. Let's go to Al Muntaha.
Face here. Ready? 1.
Nakaganon talaga yung kamay ko, no? Pipicture mo nga kami dalawa, be. Kasi, ano siya, puro kayo selfie, wala kami.
Oo nga eh. Ayun yung camera niya maganda. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2. Cellphone, tanggalin. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Yun naman ba, ano meron to? Naka-video to. Pati ikaw, oh.
Sorry!
It's here, guys. I'm taking video because this is what I like. The view. So it's here. That's the Palm Jumeirah. Dito tayo sa dulo, Tere. Tere. Teresa. Donna! Hi! Nag-ano ako, nag-show around ko ng mga friends ko. Halika, dito si Donna! Si Tess, dito pa rin. Si Tere, yung roommate niya, friend na rin namin. Huwag ka malang mag-isa, payat mo na nga.
Oo nga eh!
Bin, lumuluwag na yung palda mo, Bin. Nalalaglag na. Halika ka, picture nga tayong dalawa. Halika dito.
Ay, kayo!